Welcome to Process Mining in Minutes. Process mining shows you how work actually flows in the real world, which is rarely if ever the same as how it was designed, exposing the loops, delays, and bottlenecks you didn't know about. This allows you to take action quickly to improve the performance metrics that matter most to your team. Poor onboarding directly impacts time to productivity. Cases get bounced back for missing information, tasks sit in queues. It frustrates new hires and HR teams alike. Process mining shows you exactly where it breaks down. Late equipment requests, incomplete forms delaying access provisioning, manager approvals stuck for weeks. You see which handoffs consistently fail. We connect those delays to real impact. Every day a new hire waits for a laptop or system access is a day of lost productivity. Process mining detects and quantifies that. Work node analysis then identifies where AI agents can step in. The AI agent onboarding ramp-up plan handles it, creating personalized plans by role and department with zero manual effort. The result? Productive new hires from day one, stronger first impressions, and HR teams freed from repetitive coordination. Want to learn more? Click on the What's Next link.